A common issue in wave soldering is solder bridging. Multiple factors can lead to solder bridging during wave soldering. When encountering solder bridging, first check the board transfer direction. Incorrect board orientation is a major cause of bridging. Next, verify the quality of soldering materials. Low-quality solder bars generate excessive impurities known as dross. Excessive impurities lead to uneven heating, resulting in unstable soldering. Therefore, prioritize solder bars with higher tin content or those containing high activity flux. Overly dense component pin spacing is another key cause of wave soldering bridging. When pin spacing is 2 mm, bridging occurs frequently. With pin spacing 254 mm, solder bridging rarely occurs. What other causes of wave soldering bridging do you know? Welcome to communicate_Leon at smounthealth.com.